Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Today we have a lovely coin for you for fans of Chinese mythical creatures. This is another one added to that series and it is, as you may be able to tell, a dragon coin. Now this product is from Coins Australia and it's struck by the Perth Mint, so you've got that wonderful quality here in this product. Start off with our certificate of authenticity. It is a 2-ounce silver antiqued coin, which is very, very cool. This booklet does have a lot of information inside about a dragon in particular, and also a little bit more on Chinese mythology, which is very interesting for fans out there. Here on the back, we have some more specifications for this coin. The really interesting thing here is the mintage. So for those of you that are into your Chinese mythical creatures, you'll know that Chinese mythology does like the number 8. So this mintage of 888 is fantastic. And this particular coin number is also very nice, 444. Excellent. And there we can see, of course, struck by the Perth Mint, as I said before. So getting straight into the coin itself. Oh, wow. That is impressive. Oh, look at that. You've got to love the chunkiness. So because it is 2-ounce silver, you do get that lovely big chunky coin, and the coloring on here is just beautiful. Look at that. That's fantastic. So of course there we have our dragon, very nicely colored, and you'll see that the dragon is actually in the shape of an 8 as well. So this coin is very, very lucky. You've obviously got the dragon on there, who is a symbol of luck. He's also a symbol of power, strength, and wealth. So this is a very nice coin indeed. Now it is a product of Tuvalu, so you have Queen Elizabeth II there, and this coin is struck in 2022. So it's very, very cool. I like how it's sort of a bit rustic there on the edges. And to be fair, I really don't need to be wearing gloves for this product because it is an antiqued coin. Gotta love those antiqued products. Gotta love the weight of this as well. Fantastic. So that is the latest edition in the Chinese Mythical Creatures series. If you want to check out this coin or others in the Chinese Mythical Creatures series, hop on to EMK's website, that is www.emk.com.